Welcome back, investors. Today we're diving into the details of SoFi Technologies stock in 2025, one of the hottest fintech stocks on the market. Whether you're new to investing or an experienced trader, this video is here to help you decide if SoFi is worth adding to your portfolio this year. Let's begin with a company overview. SoFi Technologies has experienced significant growth since its founding, providing a wide range of services, from personal loans to investing options. In this video, we'll explore how SoFi has evolved in 2025 and examine their outlook for the future. We'll also break down their business model and see how they're positioning themselves in the competitive fintech industry. Now, let's move on to SoFi's financial performance in 2025. Despite facing some challenges over the past year, SoFi has consistently shown strong revenue growth. But what about profitability? In this section, we'll take a closer look at their recent earnings reports and analyze how they're performing in crucial segments such as lending, banking, and investment management. SoFi has ambitious expansion plans, but can their growth be sustained in 2025? We'll explore their strategy to capture a larger market share in the ever-growing fintech space. Additionally, we'll compare SoFi to rivals like Robinhood, Square, and traditional banks, considering the competitive landscape. Will SoFi be able to maintain its momentum, or will they face significant obstacles? As with any investment, there are risks involved. SoFi faces challenges ranging from regulatory hurdles to increasing competition. In this section, we'll outline these risks and discuss how they could impact SoFi's stock price in 2025. Should investors be concerned, or are these challenges merely temporary setbacks moving forward? Let's look at price targets and analyst predictions for 2025. Several analysts have shared their insights, offering a mix of bullish and cautious predictions for SoFi's stock. We'll break down the current price targets and examine what the experts are saying about SoFi's long-term prospects. Is SoFi's stock poised for continued growth, or is it reaching a plateau? In conclusion, based on the analysis we've covered today, you're now equipped to make a more informed decision about whether to buy, sell, or hold SoFi stock in 2025. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for the latest stock insights.